Fourth kalima, Tawheed. Tawheed, the word of oneness. La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu, lahul mulku wa lahul hamd. يحيي ويميت وهو حي لا يموت أبدا ذو الجلال والإكرام بيده الخير وهو على كل شيء قدير. Translation. There is none worthy of worship except Allah. He is alone and has no partner. To Him belongs the kingdom, and for Him is all praise. He gives life and causes death, and He is alive. He will not die, never ever, possessor of majesty and reverence. In His hand is all good, and He has power over everything.